halitosis, okay, bad breath. So bad breath, you always smell like what you eat. When you have putrid protein inside you, that's not being broken down, you smell that way. If you have a high protein diet, can cause bad breath as well, okay? And the bad breath usually tells me your gut is compromised. Your gut is not working properly. Your bowels are not working properly. Large bowels, small intestines, the whole GI tract is compromised. This can cause bad breath. So you need to clean that out. So definitely want to stop eating the proteins and the starches causing the bad breath for you, and start working on cleansing the whole body with a 100% fruit diet with extra herbs being used to clean the GI tract. So you need extra herbs for the bowels, for the small intestines. Use herbs for the liver, pancreas to help with your digestion. Use herbs for the gallbladder as well. And work on your kidneys and lymphatic system. This is how you attend to the root cause of your bad breath. Now, let's clean the mouth. So on my website, I have something called the tooth cleanser, sorry, and the tooth powder. I would use both of those with oil, coconut oil, and put it in my mouth and swish it around. It's called oil pulling. Very powerful. Use it twice a day. You're going to alkalize the mouth and get rid of any excess bacteria that can be causing a bad breath as well. Use tongue scrapers and scrape your tongue. Get rid of the acids and mucus in your mouth region. Get rid of the excess bacteria in your mouth region that's causing also the bad breath. So it's two-pronged for bad breath. Number one, you clean your mouth and the sinuses. Remember that mucus in the head region will affect your teeth, your gums, and your mouth. This will breed bacteria. Bacteria can causes bad breath as well. And step two is you clean your bowels and the entire body. And this is how you address the halitosis or the bad breath at the root level. And it will go away, it won't come back. When you clean the body properly and you go on a fruit-only cleanse, you start to smell like the fruits. Okay, this shows you how clean you are, because when you consume something, it should not stay inside you and ferment or get putrid. It should leave out. It should come out. You need a decent transit time from eating your food to using the washroom. If you don't have a good decent transit time, the food gets stuck in there, fermentation, things get decomposed, and then you have problems.